So you're thinking of getting into investment properties. Whether this is your first home, you're a seasoned investor, there's 3 things that you definitely need to follow up on before you buy. My name is Drew Allum and welcome to the channel. I like to focus on investment related stuff here specific to Canada. So if that's something you're interested in, feel free to join us on the journey by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell. So you've been presented with an opportunity in real estate, or you're looking for one and you're not sure what to do with it. This comes to our very first point when actually taking a look at investment real estate. You need to figure out what it is exactly that you want from an investment property. Is it going to be something that you want to fix and flip? Is it going to be something that you're going to buy and hold? Now, we're going to go through a lot more of the breakdown. Once you subscribe to the channel, there's so much to go through just even within this video. But make sure you keep that in mind. You want to figure out what is it that you actually want to get out of real estate. Quick returns, or is it going to be a long-term buy and hold that's going to be added to your portfolio? Now that you've got an idea of what it is that you want to get out of real estate, the next thing on your list, point 2, is going to be the best type of properties to buy and what communities to buy them in. There's going to be some research necessary there as well, and we'll make sure to help you with that out right here on this channel. But keep that in mind, whether it is that you're already an agent or you're familiar with the communities in and around your area, if it's within your backyard or backyard communities that you're investing, or you're looking at other provinces that you actually want to invest in, it's going to be important for you to decide on what type of property is going to work for your strategy and where's the best place for you to buy. Now that you've identified what it is that you want to get out of real estate and the best communities and property types for you to invest in, then point 3 comes up. You need to figure out how to fund the deal. You found the deal, we need to pay for it. Do you have enough cash put aside for it? Put that together with a mortgage if you just have enough for a down payment. If you can't do this on your own, then you're probably going to need partners. So find yourself an investor partner, whether that be your family or friends or from some other investment group. But make sure you get yourself all the funds required to purchase the investment deal. And there you go. The 3 things that you need to do before you even think of buying your next or first investment property. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. We'll be getting into way more investor related content right here on the channel. My name is Drew, and I'll catch you in the next video.